Yeah, what's been happening here is my last time out, there was the 24 volt 3 amp fuse that had opened when I was here. So, put the fuse, replaced the fuse, looked around, I didn't see anything that would indicate that there was a ground fault in the 24 volt circuit, and it ran for maybe 3 or 4 days, and then now we're back at the same situation. So I'm back here again, and I have a great idea of what I think is going on. It's something kind of common that I have come across in my technician's journey. So I'm gonna get out here and find this situation in the 24 volt circuit and get back with you, family.